Move beyond traditional event planning tools and design realistic, accurate floor plans with Prism. Use automation to get your job done faster and get back to doing what you love, planning memorable events. From floor plans to furniture and seating to centerpieces, customize every detail to each event, envision more, create more, and bring every occasion to life with precision and style. Enhance your experience with your customers, scale your business, and unleash your creativity. Say goodbye to endless back and forth phone calls and collaborate in your workspace. Capture feedback anytime and say hello to efficiency. With Prism by your side, it's easier than ever to explore the infinite possibilities of space.